Welcome back. This is Danielle from Explore Self Natural, and today's video we're doing more or less like a week in the life of a small business. Just went over like some of the highlights on things that I have done for the week. I hope you enjoy. Here we are making two different types of salve. The first one is just a multi-purpose salve. It is scented with frankincense, lavender, tea tree. The second salve we're doing is for joint and muscle relief, and it has essential oils of wintergreen, peppermint, rosemary, lavender, frankincense, and black pepper. In this restock, I also decided to make little samplers. So I believe those containers, the small ones that you see, are 5 ml. So I filled those up. And when I do in-person markets, I sell them for $2 to $3 a piece. And they've been selling quite well. Here I'm just unpackaging a box from Make Your Own Buzz, just a couple restocks. picture that you just saw was from a market that I just did. I typically do not do winter markets, but I figured I'd take advantage of this year and try a couple out, see my thoughts on them as the economy's changed a little bit. So I currently do 2 markets. Each market I do once a month. So I do one on a Saturday and one on a Sunday. And the picture that you just saw was from the market that I do on Sundays. It was the first market I had done there. There weren't a ton of people. It's about 40 minutes away from me, but the people that did come certainly shopped. So it definitely was worth it for me. If you are interested in having me do any video on setting up at a market or interacting with people, certainly let me know in the comments below. Or if you would like me to do a video on what is currently in my must-have box. In the last year or so, I have found some really good items that I've added to my box of stuff. So let me know if you would be interested. Thank you guys so much. I will see you next week. Have a good one. Bye.